Yeah.
Can you feel me? Baby, can you feel me? I've got something to say. Check it out.
For all this time I've been loving you, girl. Oh, yes, I have. And ever since the day you left me here alone, I've been trying to find